You were arrested for drunk driving in Massachusetts and you have prior offenses on your record. Hi, I'm Steve Brooks. I'm a criminal defense attorney in Massachusetts with offices in Dedham and in Boston, and I can answer your questions about prior DUI offenses. Massachusetts in the last few years has dramatically increased both the look-back period for counting prior offenses and the penalties that a defendant faces who has prior offenses. These penalties include more significant suspensions for refusing a breath test, and mandatory jail sentences for multiple offenses. For example, if you have a third offense drunk driving case, you're facing 180 days as a minimum sentence in the House of Correction. Now, whenever we have a case with a person who has prior offenses, we go to the prior court and pull the file and look at the reports having to do with that case. Many times we see that the person went into court and at the very first day resolved the case in a way that may have seemed favorable at the time, but now looking back looks like a bad decision. Another change in the law is that it's now far easier for prosecutors to prove prior offenses. At one time, there was only a 6-year look-back period for prior offenses. In other words, anything before that would not be counted. Then that look-back period was enhanced to 10 years, and now the period is one's entire life. So even if you had a drunk driving case from 25 or 35 years ago and you get arrested now, the prosecution can use that prior offense against you and charge you with having a second offense. Are you looking at this video because you or someone you know has had prior offenses and is facing a pending case? I'll be happy to answer your questions, but you need to call me. 781-251-0555. My name is Steve Brooks, and thanks for watching.